In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. Firstly, you can simply go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and hold the brightness slider. Then tap on Auto Brightness in the pop-up, and when it turns white, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, click on the same icon until it's gray. To go back, click on blurry area. You can also go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on display and brightness. Then use this switcher next to automatic brightness right under brightness slider to either turn it on or switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!